But I truly believe I am quite capable of something more. Even when I am not allowed.